Hey, what's up everyone? It's me again, Solmat. Good news to all Fujifilm XT3 users. There's a new firmware update, which is version 3.0, released April 17, 2019. So here's a quick video on how to upgrade the firmware, and I'll show you some of the updates on this new version 3.0. So let's get right into it. So all you have to do is go to the Fujifilm.com support website. You can Google it. Just Google Fujifilm XT3 new firmware, and it will directly direct you to this page. So again, the XT3 camera body firmware has now version 3.0. So this is the detail of the update. So the firmware update is now version 3.0. It's an update from version 2.10, and it incorporates the following issues. So the some of the best features that was added to the Fujifilm XT3 is, first, the new touchscreen. There's a new touchscreen functions. And with this, the autofocus was improved, and the distance phase detections was enhanced by 30%, as well as the autofocus tracking are more stable now. Now, second best update for this firmware is the new face select function was added, and whenever there's a multiple face are detected, so there's a selection when there's a multiple face that is being recorded. Now, third update was there's a faster autofocus speed for subjects at a distance, so that's a good one. And fourth is there's a double tap setting touch function that was added. So please take note that this function is set to off by default, so you have to turn it on whenever you'd like to use this added feature. Now, fifth, when using eye detection setting, only the focused frame on eye is displayed. And the number 6 was the EVF, or the electronic viewfinder, was upgraded. There's a tracking function now for autofocus and auto exposure. Area movement by touchscreen is improved. And seventh, the push function of the joystick is disabled when using interval timer shooting. And eighth, the flicker reduction was changed. And last is it fixed some slight defects. Okay, so all you have to do, guys, in order to update the firmware is you have to turn off the camera. So you have to download the firmware from the website. Okay, so all you have to do is click on begin download, and the file size is about 47 megabytes. So it's a DAT file. So you just have to download and save it in your SD card. And once it's saved, put it in the camera. So turn off the camera and press and hold the display back button on the Fujifilm XT3 before you turn on the camera. And in my camera, this is just a simulation video because I've already upgraded the firmware to 3.0. But upon pressing and holding the display back button and turning on the camera, it would go to the firmware update part. It would show you the current version and which firmware is available. So you just have to select OK, and it will go through the upgrade process. So it may take 1 to 2 minutes, and you just have to wait until you see the screen where the firmware upgrade was completed. You have to turn off the camera, and it would show now that the version is 3.0. So that's it, guys. Those are the new features that were added to version 3.0 on the Fujifilm XT3. Thank you.